Hey there friends, welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly build wealth over time, while others struggle to make ends meet? What if I told you that there's a secret to unlocking your financial potential, and it's something you can start leveraging today? Intrigued? I bet you are. Today, we're going to unveil the power of compounding and how it can revolutionize your financial future. Make sure to watch till the end, because, trust me, you don't want to miss the tips I mentioned further in the video. So, let me ask you, have you ever heard of the power of compounding? If not, buckle up, because you're about to have your mind blown. Before starting the video, for those who haven't subscribed, it would be nice to subscribe first so this channel can grow. First, let's understand the concept of compounding. The concept of compounding is simple, yet incredibly powerful. It's the process of earning interest on your initial investment, and then earning interest on that interest, which creates a snowball effect, allowing your wealth to grow exponentially over time. In other words, it's like financial magic. Now, can you imagine how this simple concept can revolutionize your savings and investments? Let's find out. So, how compounding works? To really understand the power of compounding, let's take a look at an example. Imagine you invest 10,000 Indian rupees in a mutual fund with an annual return of 10%. After 1 year, you'd have 11,000 Indian rupees. That's your initial 10,000 Indian rupees, plus 1,000 in interest. But here's where the magic happens. In the second year, you'll earn interest not just on your initial 10,000, but also on the 1,000 interest you earned in the first year. So, at the end of the second year, you'd have 12,100 Indian rupees, which is 11,000, plus 1,100 in interest. This process continues year after year, with your interest earnings growing larger and larger as your investment snowballs. Are you starting to see the power of compounding at work? Imagine what this could mean for your financial goals. Next thing is to understand the importance of time and consistency. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but it's just a few hundred or thousand rupees. So, what's the big deal? Well, my friends, that's where time and consistency come into play. The longer you let your investment compound, the more dramatic the growth becomes. In fact, your investment can grow exponentially, turning those seemingly small amounts into massive wealth. So, how long do you think you need to let your investments compound to see truly life-changing returns? Let's explore. Next important part is the Rule of 72. To illustrate the power of compounding over time, let's introduce a handy little tool called the Rule of 72. This rule helps you estimate how long it will take for your investment to double in value, given a fixed annual rate of return. Simply divide 72 by the annual rate of return, and you'll get the number of years it takes to double your money. For example, if you're earning a 10% annual return, it would take about 7.2 years for your investment to double. A simple math of 72 divided by 10 is equal to 7.2. What do you think would happen if you kept your investments compounding for decades? Let's find out. Let's look at the power of compounding in action. Let's say you start investing 5,000 Indian rupees per month at the age of 25, with an average annual return of 10%. By the time you reach 60, you'd have invested a total of 21 lakhs. But, thanks to the power of compounding, your total investment would be worth a whopping 3.3 crores INR. Can you believe that? And all you did was consistently invest a small amount every month and let time work its magic. So, how can you harness the power of compounding to achieve your financial goals? Let's dive into some strategies. So, what are the strategies to leverage the power of compounding? Here are 5 ways you can improve your savings and investments through the power of compounding. Number 1, start early. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Remember, time is your greatest ally when it comes to compounding. Number 2, be consistent. Regularly invest a fixed amount every month, no matter how small, and watch your wealth snowball over time. Number 3, reinvest earnings. Instead of cashing out your earnings, reinvest them to take full advantage of compounding. Number 4, diversify. Spread your investments across different assets, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds to maximize your potential returns and minimize risk. Number 5. Stay disciplined. Stick to your investment plan and resist the temptation to withdraw your funds prematurely. Are you ready to take control of your financial future and harness the power of compounding? Let's wrap things up. The power of compounding is a game-changing financial tool that can help you build wealth like never before. By starting early, staying consistent, and letting time work its magic, you can unleash your wealth-building potential and achieve your financial dreams. Don't wait any longer. Start harnessing the power of compounding today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and insights. And don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with compounding in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together. Until next time, happy investing!